A preview of the LG L70 Dual, and we'll try to do a small comparison between the Moto G as well as the phone that I personally suggest you guys, that is the HTC Desire 310. So setting up the device with the LG L70 Dual, this is a very mid-level phone from the brand of LG, which was launched at the Mobile World Congress, and this device also has a knock code feature which is there to unlock the device. So I'm just doing a knock code to unlock the device. I'll just show you also how to do a knock code feature on this device, how to set it up and how to change it as well. So a knock code is already set up in my device, so I'll try to just change it for you just to show you how to do it. So let me put the knock code which I personally have right now. I'll try to change it now by putting a new knock code. I'll just reverse it from the bottom, and I'm just confirming it again. And you need to have a backup pin in case if you forget it, so I'm just having a backup pin of 0000, so it's set. So let me quickly show you how it's working. So it's from the bottom 1 2 3 4 5 5, and it's working now. And if you try up the older code, it won't work because I've changed it already. So this is the new code which I've set up, and it's working. So this is a very good feature when it comes to knock code on the LG's L70 or L90, which we have already covered up the L90 in their preview. You can check back our channel for that. And the best thing which I like on this device is the knock code feature, which is a new kind of a feature on the device from the mobile like LG. And if I compare this device with some of the brands like Motorola Moto G, which has been a very hype phone, rather very good phone from the brands of Motorola. If I compare this device with the Motorola and L70, the Motorola Moto G doesn't have the 4.2.2 KitKat pre-installed, rather 4.4.2 KitKat pre-installed, but the L70 has the KitKat pre-installed on this device. So if you compare this device, about the specifications and all, I'll try to quickly run a benchmark test, and I'll try to cover up what's there in the specification. This device has 2100 mAh battery. This device also has 1.2 GHz dual core processor, which is pretty much low when it comes to processor speed and price of about roughly 13,000 to 14,000 INR, but I think it's pretty costly. But the device has 5 megapixel camera, which doesn't shoot a full HD video. But still, if you compare this device with a brand like HTC Desire 310, being a much cheaper device costing about 10,000 INR, about $200, it has a quad-core processor. It can shoot full 1080p videos, and some of the great features like blink feed and some of the other updates is also there in the HTC 310. So almost at the end of the benchmark test on the L70 Duals. Let me see how this device performs when it comes to benchmark. So here is the benchmark results, and I expect this device will be getting a score of about 12,700, about 13,000, less than 13,000, which is decent enough. I won't say it's very good, but it's decent enough when it comes to scores. But if you have used phones like Moto G, it's pretty good. The Moto G had the 1.2 GHz quad-core processor with Snapdragon 400 and Adreno 305 GPU pre-installed on this. So looking at the camera, they have some basic specifications and changes on the camera settings. You can change the mode, and some of the video settings as well you can change it. Nothing as such special when it comes to camera, being HTC having the continuous shot and some of the other features which I really liked taking photos and videos in. The photo is good enough on the 5 megapixel camera, nothing nothing so good when it comes to photos. It's decent enough photos, doesn't take a full HD video, but if you compare with the HTC, being a cheaper in the price range of the LG L90, about 2000 INR cheaper, about $40 to $50 cheaper, the HTC Desire 310 is way better. Looking at the internet, let me quickly go to YouTube and try to show you, rather stream some of the videos from the YouTube. So let me quickly go to our channel, and let me type in the Gadgets TV, and once it's done, let me quickly show you how the video playback comes on this device. This device has a very good thing which I like personally, that is the IPS display, which gives pretty decent videos and photo output on the screen of the device, being a 4.5-inch screen. But that is the only good thing that I like on the phone, that is the screen. Overall, if you compare this phone with the build quality, is good. The back panel is very good, and battery is decent enough, and the video playback is sometimes a little bit laggy, and the L70 Dual doesn't take good reception from the Wi-Fi. Now I'm connected to my Wi-Fi now through the iPad hotspot. so it's sometimes getting messier and sometimes dropping as well. So good enough, and there is sometimes issues when it comes connected to the internet. And if you compare this with the price range of, as I comparing this device with the HTC Desire 310, it's much and way better device being on this. So this is an in-depth review. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye bye.